The scheme had the clear objective for promoting financial inclusion. It simply wanted that each Indian should be part of the structural banking sector, especially focusing on the women who did not have any bank account. So I had women in my mind. Apart from that, I had the unorganized sector. So I see that these are two areas within my society, or two group of people within my society who generally find it difficult to have financial independence and also to have some sort of savings when they need. So they go to money lenders, and exorbitant interest rates are charged upon that. We have seen it all. There are endless Bollywood movies on that, in which there is a Sukhi Lala charges a lot of interest rate and my entire land is gone and all of that. So the first step is to have a bank account, and then you can be part of the formal banking that was envisaged within my Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So what does it say? It says that any person who does not have any bank account can open an account. What kind of account it will be? It will be a savings bank account. It will be a savings bank account in any bank branch as well as with my Bank Mitra outlet. So I am opening these accounts within the banks as well as my Bank Mitra outlet. Who all are eligible? Anyone and everyone. Anyone and everyone, that is each household across the country, urban, rural, all of them will be covered under the scheme, and there will be no minimum balance. So these will be no frill accounts, no minimum balance, zero accounts, all of them are same. My Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana will provide a bank account for anyone and everyone without any minimum bank requirement. It is also part of my JAM Trinity, right? So my the Prime Minister said that I will make this country tech savvy. I will integrate the entire welfare sector by Jan Dhan, Aadhaar and mobile. So basically I am providing a single platform for the governance through these three things. So Jan Dhan is part of the JAM Trinity. So coming to the benefits which this scheme is providing, so I am getting a RuPay debit card with accidental insurance of up to 2 lakh rupees. So I am not just providing you a card, I am also providing you the insurance here. Along with that, I am giving you the overdraft facility. Very important for the unorganized sector, and this limit has been increased from 5,000 to 10,000 recently. These two are two very important benefits from my Jan Dhan account. Apart from that, I will be using this Jan Dhan account, the main reason for direct transfer or direct benefit transfer. So this was the main aim of opening all these accounts, that I want to directly give the subsidies, I want to directly give the benefit to my Indians in their accounts. So what all schemes are covered within the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan accounts is Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, which is a insurance scheme. Then Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, which is an accidental insurance cover scheme. I have Atal Pension Yojana, which we will be discussing further, and Mudra, which is for financing the small industries and small enterprises. All of this will be covered within my Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So I had this vision that I will open the bank account and check leakages and corruption by directly putting the money to the beneficiaries which are part of these schemes and also of the other schemes.